I will show you how to use the substitute formula on Microsoft Excel. So you can see we have this employee ID and we've been asked to remove the QR to change it to our channel's name, which is KBrother. So KB and then the ID number, right? So let's do that. So let's remove the QR and then replace it with KB. So what you are going to do is you're going to use the substitute formula. Yeah, so in English, I think it makes sense. So you just type in substitute, it pops up and you can see the text. So the text is what we are trying to replace. There's this wholesale here, and then the old text is, you put it in, double quotes, and then it's QR. We are trying to remove the QR. Good. And you see comma to the next parenthesis, and then the next parenthesis is saying the next part, formula pattern, is saying we should add our new text. So our new text should be our KB. Good. And then we close it. And now we have the KB stats, and then I'll just have to double tap to autofill, and you can see I've replaced the KB. I've replaced the QR with the KB. So simple and easy. That's it on how to use the substitute formula on Microsoft Excel. Peace.